So here in Caldecott at Microchip, our core business is in medical products. So I think we do a lot of different products that can have positive influence on people's lives. I was originally going to go to university, but I learned about apprenticeships, learned about the benefits, and decided to take up the opportunity to study my apprenticeship. I think the easiest way to explain a semiconductor would be to think of things like metals, which are known as conductors, and then things like plastics, which is insulator. And it's kind of a combination of the two. You can turn it into a conductor or turn it into an insulator. And that's the fundamental building block of a switch, which is a transistor. And then if you start to combine multiple switches together, you can end up with things like computers that can do really clever things. You begin and work as an operator in manufacturing. Those roles include learning how to do several processes, learn about the product, and generally that takes about a year, the first year of your apprenticeship. When you first start, you don't necessarily have to do a specific role. You can look at different things that you enjoy, pick that, and then begin to specialise later. Next couple of years, you would move on to technical processes and skills and develop those, and begin to then shadow engineers and then start to specialise. Coming towards the end of the apprenticeship then, you would work a lot more independently. The training is something that you'll never get whilst you do a degree or go to college. With the apprenticeship, you learn the practical skills that really set you apart. I recommend it to everybody, especially those that come into the end of either GCSEs or A-levels. They're looking at university and they're thinking that might not be something I want to do, but we really feel like apprenticeships offer very good benefits compared to conventional degrees. There's a role for everybody in the engineering sector. You can do apprenticeships and you can work in manufacturing, building things. You can go and work in a design team if you've got an eye for detail. You can do PCB layouts, which once they're done, they take so much time and so much craft, they're actually nicknamed artworks. The upcoming technologies in compound semiconductors has really saw amazing growth in South Wales, and we hope to have a lot of opportunities going forward for young engineers and apprentices coming through. The future for Wales with these technologies and these businesses looks really, really positive. So compound semiconductors, I think, are going to create a lot of jobs in the area and really contribute to the Welsh economy. The thing I enjoy most about my job is everything. It sounds a bit of a cliche, but as an engineer, you get so much responsibility, which is really what I like. And so being able to help other people, being able to design new things and be at the forefront of new technologies, it's really exciting.